Ray here. I'm just making some dukkah from scratch, and it's something I do semi-regularly. I started it when we were living on our boat, and I can't remember why. I think it's because I loved it and I hated paying top dollar for something that is really actually inexpensive to make. And I thought I'd share with you quickly how to do it yourself. It's really easy, just takes a little bit of getting some ingredients together and doesn't take you long at all. So far what I've done is toast some hazelnuts, I'll flip this around, just in my fry pan, just dry. Then I put them in the food processor and whizzed it until they looked like this. So I've just done that, they're still warm. Then I've put in pepitas and sunflower seeds, and I'm about to whiz them up. So let's have a go. I don't want them to be completely pulverized, just a little bit of a whiz. Oops, my broken processor. A bit more, I'll do that after. And then next on the fry pan is going some coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and right down here is black sesame seeds as well. So they go in, doesn't take long. They cook very quickly once the pan is hot. So just keep your eye on it. If you see them smoking, you've got to get them off. And then all it needs is some salt and pepper, sesame seeds. I'm going to do this whole bag because they're delicious when they're toasted. And I'm going to do a teaspoon of fennel seeds today. And that's it. You just whiz it or cook it or dry bake, dry fry. Whiz in the food processor and then mix it all together in a big bowl and then pop it in a jar. And you've got yourself a delicious, nutritious, amazing lunch snack. So you just eat it with some fresh sourdough bread and dip it in olive oil, a bit of balsamic vinegar if you want, and then just dip the bread in, and oh my gosh, so delicious. And have it with a salad, and yeah, it's one of my favourite lunches. And you can see how quick it is. These are popping now, I've got to deal with them now. But yeah, I'll put the recipe with the measurements below or somehow connected to this. But thanks for watching, bye!